Hello! Welcome to this tutorial. Today, we are going to talk about the future simple tense. We can refer to the future by using will, be going to, or by using present tenses. Note that we use will when we want to talk generally about future beliefs, opinions, hopes, and predictions. Have a look at the example over here. I promise myself that once I start college, I will do all my assignments on time. Note that will in this sentence is used to talk about future hopes. Now let's have a look at the use of will plus verb, the negative will not or won't plus verb. Let's start with the positive sentence. Sam will probably move to Canada next year. Future prediction. Negative sentence would be Sam won't move to Canada next year. He'll move to the US. In the question form, will Sam move to Canada next year? Another question. Where will Sam move to? Let's have a look at time markers and probability markers. Time markers: tomorrow, next month, in a day, etc. Probability markers: perhaps, probably, definitely, etc. Have a look at the following examples. Perhaps it'll snow tomorrow. I'll definitely finish my essay next month. Now make sure you pay attention to the word order. Positive sentence: we'll probably do it tomorrow. Negative: we probably won't do it tomorrow. Note that some speakers use shall to refer to the future in formal situations with I and we. However, nowadays, shall is used for suggestions only. Have a look at the example over here. Shall I go or shall we leave together? In this sentence, shall is used for suggestion. Now let's review the future simple tense and practice a bit. Remember that we use will plus verb to make sentences in the future simple. Note that we form questions by inverting the subject and will, and the negative forms by using will not. Transform the following sentence into the future simple. They not to go to the bar tomorrow. They will not go to the bar tomorrow. What you to do next week? I don't know. I to meet up probably with some friends. What will you do next week? I don't know. I will probably meet up with some friends. Now try to practice using the contracted forms of will and will not, which is I'll and won't. Read the following sentence and practice. I to call you later, okay? I'll call you later, okay? I not to do anything without your advice. I won't do anything without your advice. Now read the following sentences and find the time or probability marker. He'll finish his book in a week or two. week or two. You probably won't listen to me, but I'll try to explain it. Probably. Remember that nowadays we use shall for suggestions. Rewrite the following sentences using shall for suggestion. We to go. It's getting late. Shall we go? It's getting late. Here is a short story using the future simple tense. Listen as I read so you can see how they are used in real-life conversation. After I'm done, make sure you understand all the grammar and read aloud yourself so that you can work on your own fluency and pronunciation. Mike, what are your plans for tonight? I don't know really. I'll probably play some video games after work. And what will you do tomorrow? Well, I definitely won't go out with my friends tomorrow. And what will you do next week? I'll most certainly start learning another language. Mike, how do you have an answer for everything? It's quite simple. I don't plan anything. Things will happen on their own. Now it's time for you to practice on your own. Read the following sentences and find time markers. A. Perhaps you'll make the right decision. Time will tell. B. Max will certainly come later tonight. C. Susan will try to go there next month, but it probably won't happen. Now read the following sentences and write the correct form. A. Why can't you come over? To let you sleep at my place. B. Not to do it unless you prove Jane wrong. C. We to try to make it work. We to let you know. D. We or to go to the restaurant tonight. To pay for the meal. And now, answer the following questions. A. What will you do tomorrow? B. Where will you stay during your summer vacation? C. Will robots take over the planet? Now let's check your answers. Perhaps you'll make the right decision. Time will tell. Max will certainly come later tonight. Susan will try to go there next month, but it probably won't happen. Why can't you come over? I'll let you sleep at my place. I won't do it unless you prove Jane wrong. We'll try to make it work. We'll let you know. Shall we go to the restaurant tonight? I'll pay for the meal. Sample answers. I'll probably stay at home and sleep the whole day. I'll stay at my friend's place. Robots won't take over the planet. I don't think that robots will take over the planet. Thank you for watching this tutorial.